Hello everyone, welcome to this new problem where we are going to dive into print the element of a linked list. So this is the first problem on the linked list section of data structure on HackerRank. So this is the perfect problem to start dealing with linked list because you don't have to do that many operations. You just have to be able to loop through the element in the linked list and print the values. So that is all we are supposed to do here. And printing the value would depend on the code language you're using. If it's JavaScript, we are going to use console log. In C++, in our case, we are going to cout. This is how a linked list has been represented. You have 16, 13, and null. This is a pretty nice representation of a linked list, but what I will do is that I will give you another representation that I think is more meaningful. This is the representation. You can see that a linked list is actually an element with an head. I would say a pointer to, I would say, a node. And the node consists of the value and a reference to another node. So if this node is pointing to this, if I'm trying to display the value of this, I just need to display h.data. Why h.data? Because the node is an object like this with data, which is the value, and with a pointer to another node. So now you know that if you have a node, you can display the value. Now how do you move to the next node? To move to the next node, you just need to say, okay, this node now is equal to node.next, because node.next is actually the pointer like this. So you can see this node is actually node.next. That means this would be actually pointing to this, and this will be erased. So now the head will now point to this, and then you will be able to display the value. And after displaying the value, you can apply the same until the node is actually null. So what will it look like in the code? In the code, it will look like this. You have while the head is actually different from null pointer. Yeah, while it is, that means we are on a node which is not null. If the node is not null, we then have the value. If we have the value, we just like cout the head.data, and then we go to new line, and then after that we move our pointer to the next one by just saying h will now be equal to h.next. So we just like saying head will be equal to head.next. Let us submit and see what it will give. We have everything green. It's perfect. It's working. So for me, this problem is basically to discover what a linked list is about, loop through a linked list, know when to stop while looping through a linked list. We have been looping using condition, like when we are at the end of an array, things like that. But now it is a bit different. We need to loop until a specific condition, which is the end of the linked list, which is represented like this. So in the upcoming video, we are going to dive more into linked list problem. So I really encourage you to document yourself on the thing, come and be prepared with question, and we are going to solve the next problem. Don't hesitate to participate, share your thought, ask question. I will be really happy to answer them. See you on the next video. Ciao.